With exhalation, join your palm in front of your chest. Inhale, raise your arms up over your head, make a gentle arch. Exhale, fold forward, palm beside your feet, head down. Inhale, right leg back, knee down, toes out, lift the chest up. Exhale, left leg back, mountain pose. Inhale, both knees down. Exhale, chest and chin. Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, slide your chest forward. Lift up, cobra pose. Exhale, come back to the mountain pose. Inhale, left foot front, right knee down, toes out, lift the chest up. Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Exhale, right foot front, forward fold, Padhastasana. Inhale, all the way come up, raise your arms up, arch your back. Exhale, prayer. Inhale, raise your arms up, arch your back. Exhale, fold forward, head down towards the knee. Inhale, left leg back, knee down, toes out, lift the chest up. Exhale, right leg back, mountain pose. Inhale, both knees down. Exhale, chest and chin. Flat the toes. Inhale, halfway cobra. Exhale, back to the mountain pose. Inhale, step the right foot front. Knee down, toes out, lift the chest up. Exhale, left foot front, feet together, forward fold. Inhale, all the way come up, take a gentle arch. Exhale, bring your palm heart center. Release the hand, come back to Samasthiti.